Alright, so I've got some Lamin-x fog light covers in yellow for the Alltrack here. And they're pre-cut. Suppose you can put them on dry. So I've just cleaned this really nice. And they've got little tabs on them to handle them as you put them on. And then I'll just trim those off when I'm done. So I'm going to grab one of these and put it on. Just going to make sure I've got the correct side here. That looks right. It's going to go like that. So I'm going to peel it, and I think I'll start at the top and work it down. I've got a X-Acto blade handy. Again, the instructions say you can do these without wetting it. So let's do that. It's pretty thick. Let's try this. I did do this on my 500s I had on the truck. Kind of look it up in there. Look it up in there. That looks pretty good. Push down in the middle. Gee, you might not even need to trim these things if you can get them behind the trim, the bezel. It says you don't have to remove the bezel. I'm gonna work outwards and down. We do have a microfiber. This might make it easier. I work it evenly back and forth. You know what? I'm going to trim this very carefully. Use the bezel as a guide. Work that down in. Pushing it outwards. Same over here. A little glass cleaner on it. Just reduce the friction of pushing it out. Make sure it's stuck up in the corners. I'm going to go ahead and assume that any little bubbles that are in here, just like window tint, will eventually, you know, if you turn the fog lights on and the heat and the sun will help those bubbles escape. But that looks pretty cool. Easy to install. I'm gonna go do the same thing on the other side. It should also give me some protection from any rock chips. The other side actually came out a little better. It kind of cut weird as I was trimming it, but over here too. But I don't know, it's a pretty good product. I'm not going to sweat this too much because this has the potential to get all like rock chipped and pitted, so it can just peel off and be changed. But I'll leave it for now. I'm fine with it. Hopefully all these little bubbles come out in the sun. But you know, you don't really notice those little imperfections from far away, so just leave it.